What's up, Best Things Universe fam? Welcome to our Little Chef review. Little Chef is your ultimate recipe book for kids, packed with simple and fun to create recipes that children can cook with their parents. And please stick around cause we've got the most incredible bonus bundle waiting for you. If you're looking to grow your business, establish your presence online, and earn extra income in the comfort of your home, you need these bonuses, and we'll give them to you 100% free. Before we proceed, please hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell for more contents like this. So why choose Little Chef? Little Chef has fun and engaging recipes. They are also beautifully designed. It's very good for family bonding. And it's fully customizable and flexible. Each recipe comes with a printable, high-resolution PDF allowing you to print or use them digitally. And all recipes are available in Canva format, making them fully customizable through the Canva platform. Full PLR license is included to all these unique recipes, allowing you to customize and rebrand these easily to suit your needs and resell for 100% profit. So what's inside Little Chef? So they have 100 recipes that are perfect for little hands and big imaginations. These are some of the examples of the recipes. These are just some of them. Very beautifully designed and easy. So did you know that the children's niche is massive? So today you have the chance to grab a lucrative share of this booming industry with Little Chef. Little Chef is on a dime sale and price is going up with each copy sold. Starting price at $17.70. So get it now for the lowest price. Well, here are the bonuses that you'll get once you purchase Little Chef through our link. We'll be giving you the groundbreaking 24-hour ranking system. This helps you place in Google's first page within 24 hours using 5-step formula to grow your business. You'll also get $12,000 bonuses to convert your offers. Place and create videos in front of people to help them during a launch. Give away $12,000 worth bonuses and soak up all the affiliate income that will come your way. Unlimited weekly group coaching. Hop on a live weekly call with one of the best marketers in the business and learn what's working and what's not working in the industry. Plus, around once a month, features exclusive guest speakers that are killing it in the industry to help us all level up our skill set. And finally, you'll get 4-day Google Ranking Challenge, a stripped-back entire process to show you exactly how to get a fast result in just 4 simple steps. Day 1, create YouTube channel. Day 2, create a simple video using a free tool. Day 3, rank video on the front page of Google. And day 4, create evergreen free ads for years to come. You get these fabulous bonuses if you purchase through our link. Link is on the description box or in the comments below. Remember, Little Chef is on a dime sale and price is going up with each copy sold. Starting price at $17.70. What are you waiting for? Get it now for the lowest price. If this was helpful, please like and share this video, and see you on the next video.